Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update, and right now I'm on the 4-hour time frame just trying to check what is going on with SLP here. Now so far it seems like this extended some sort of a descending triangle coming in, and the head and shoulder really never played out at the moment, so you're still not losing the neckline, which you're about to lose the neckline. But I'm just going to tell you the maximum time for waiting is going to be until 6th of July. So anytime until 6th of July, you're looking for the coin to literally either break to the upside and maybe start to go to the upside, or maybe just break to the downside here. So it hasn't really broken out. We cannot say anything for sure. Now we are going to mirror SLP with Bitcoin as well, because how Bitcoin looks like. And as far as I do see things, Bitcoin is kind of losing the golden ratio, which is going to be the 0.618. You can watch the detailed analysis on the channel as well. So there's a good chance for Bitcoin to actually drop into $15,400 as well. That can actually make SLP, lose this level and actually, drop all the way to the downside. I did actually explain that Bitcoin is looking to go to $9,400, and there's a reason for that one, and it's a very clear logical explanation as to why it's going to go down there. So I do suggest you guys to watch Bitcoin update in detail so that you can understand what the hell is going on with Bitcoin as well. So that's it for today's quick update on SLP. This is still gonna have a little bit of a suspense right here until 6th of July. Anytime before 6th of July, you're gonna get an answer of the break to the upside. If you do break to the upside, I reckon that you're gonna have a little bit of a push higher, probably to this resistance right there. That's going to be your next technical target, 393. Just a little bit of a push to the highest part of it, because once you break the triangle, you go back to where you formed the triangle, and that's it. Or if you break to the downside, then that's just a head and shoulder pattern playing out. Left shoulder, the head here, and the potential right shoulder right there, with the technical target all the way down to 293. That's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.